Hello everybody. In this step with Mr. Dennis, we will see how we are assembling our accessories. Mr. Dennis will give us some brief and great information. Here you go, sir.
Evet, bu istasyonumuzda aksesuarların kanat profilleri, kanat çerçeveleri üzerine nasıl monte edildiğini görüyoruz. Ustamız kanat profilini kanat toplama tezgahına yatırıyor ve iş emrine uygun özelliklerdeki aksesuarları ölçülerine uygun olarak seçerek otomatik vidalama makineleri ve kesme makinelerini kullanarak kanat profili üzerine monte ediyor. In this station we are making a hardware accessories installation onto the sash profiles, which is our operator right now according to the order choosing the right dimension and the hardware, and then installing with the automatic screwing and the cutting machinery, which is you can see onto the profile.
As Mr. Dennis said, one of the most important steps of the production of doors and windows, assembling the hardware. First of all, you have to decide the right hardwares, and during the installation you should have some sensitive applications so that you can have a great doors and windows. Otherwise, even you have a perfect profile, a perfect glass, but without right accessory and right accessory installation, you should have big troubles. Even your mechanism working style, or even your isolation, or that kind of troubles always you can face. So one of the most important step is having right accessories and applying the accessories properly. In this video, Mr. Dennis explained us how they are doing that hardware applications. Thank you very much.